Hello, children. Welcome back to our English class. Children, today we will see the last topic of Unit 3, that is 3.9 Writing Skills. And in this writing skills, today we are going to learn about how to write or writing skills. Now, what do you mean by writing skills? Writing skills means step by step following directions for carrying out any work. So let's see what work we are going to see today. So see, this is topic 3.9 writing skills, and in this writing skills we are going to writing instructions. Now see, read and understand. So what we have to see, how to create soap bubbles. Now here which work we have to do? We have to create a soap bubbles. Okay, so for that we have to follow a certain steps. So we will see. Now things you need. So before, for carrying out this procedure or how to create a soap bubble, to create the soap bubbles we need some things. Okay, so we will see that. So children, we have to see the things you need. So list is given over there. The first thing is half a spoon of detergent powder. So the first thing you need is detergent powder. Can you see this? This is a detergent powder. Then what do you need? A glass, half a glass of water. So this is the second thing you need. A half glass of water. Then you need one sheet of paper. So this is a sheet of paper. Then you required cello tape. So this is the cello tape, and a spoon to stir. So this is the spoon to stir. Stir means to mix. Okay, so these are the things that we required to make or to create the soap bubbles. Now we will see the method. Method means the instructions. So can you see numbers are given here? 1, 2, 3. So these are the instructions, and in this way you have to follow these instructions. Okay, so we will start our method. So the first is add half a spoon of detergent powder in a glass of water. So children, instead of taking mixing the detergent in a glass, I am taking a bowl and I am pouring this water in this bowl so that you can see the bubbles clearly. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to add the half spoon. So this is the detergent. So we have to add half spoon of detergent to the water. So I have already added this. Now what we have to do? We have to stir it. We have to mix it properly so that the detergent will mix in the water. So we have to stir it properly. So this is the way what I am doing. I am stirring. Stirring means mixing detergent in the water. So that the detergent will mix or dissolve in the water. Now what we have to do next is, now we will keep it aside. Now we will take a sheet of paper and roll the sheet of to make a straw. Now we are going to make a straw from. Can you see this? This is the way you have to roll it so that you can make a straw from this sheet of paper. So this is the way you have to roll. Okay, done. Now this is your straw. Now we have to fix the straw using the tape. So using the tape I am fixing the straw. Okay, you have to fix it from both the sides. Okay children. Now our straw is ready. If you have the original straw, you can use that also. So this is our straw. Now what we have to do? We have to see the third point. Fix the straw using the cello tape. So I have done. Now what you have to do? Dip one end of paper straw in the soap water. Now this is the soap water. What I have to do? I have to dip it in the water and blow air through the other end. This is the one end which I am keeping it in the water, and from the next end I am blowing air through the other end to the of the paper straw. Now see, children, can you see the bubbles? See. So these are the bubbles. So in this way we have created the soap bubble. So children, you have to do this activity at your home. Okay, can you see? This is the way we have created the bubble. So this is our first activity, and you have to do it at your home with in front of your parents. Okay children, now we will see the now there is one more activity for us, that is, now we have to prepare a lemonade. Now see the activity. Now write instruction to make a lemonade. Now what do you mean by lemonade? Lemonade means lemon means nimbu, and lemonade means nimbu sharbat. So we have to prepare them. Use the following words and phrases to write the method in your notebook. So in the last activity we have seen the method and the instructions, the things you need and the instructions, that is the method is given. But here in this activity we have to write the method also. So we will see the things which we need. Okay. So children, we will see the next activity. So things you need. So now we will see which things we need is, the first is juice of half a lemon. So this is a lemon and we have to cut it in two parts and we have to squeeze. Squeeze means you have निचोड़ के नींबू का रस निकालना. We have to squeeze and take out the juice of half a lemon. So I have already taken out the juice of lemon in a bowl. Now what is the next thing you need? A pinch of salt. Salt means namak. So this is a salt. Children, can you see? Salt means namak. So we need a pinch of salt. Then we need 2 spoons of sugar. So this is the sugar, and 1 glass of water. So this is the glass of water. So all these things, all are these things that we need to make a lemonade. So we will now start preparing the lemonade. First take a glass of water. So see what I am doing and follow the instructions step by step. So first step is take a glass of water. Now what we have to do? Now we will add 2 spoons of sugar to it. 1 spoon and 2 spoons. Okay, add 2 spoons of sugar to it. Now take a pinch of salt. Now what do you mean by pinch? This is the pinch. This pinch of salt and add it to the water. Okay, a pinch of that much is enough. Now what we have to do? Now we have to stir. The third step is stir the sugar and salt so that it will the salt and sugar will dissolve in the water. So we have to stir it so that it will dissolve. After the sugar dissolves in water, what we have to do? Add a lemon juice. This is the lemon juice. So add the lemon juice to the water and again stir it. Now see, your lemonade is ready to drink. So this is the lemonade that we have prepared. Okay children, I hope you have understood both the activities and you have to do both the activities at home. Okay, now we will see the procedure of it. Okay. So now children, we will see the procedure or the instructions to do it in your, that you have to write it in your copy. So you will give the heading instructions to make lemonade. So what we have done, the first thing is take a glass of water, then give arrow in between. Then write down number 2, add 2 spoons of sugars. Then again give a arrow in between. Then third number is add a pinch of salt. Again give an arrow. This arrow shows that after this you have to do next, which is the next step. So these arrows are showing the next step. And then the fourth number is stir the mixture well. So we have to stir the mixture so that sugar and salt will be melted in the water. And the fifth one is mix the juice of half a lemon to it. After that again you have to stir and see your lemonade is ready for you to drink. So these are the instructions to make the lemonade. So children, you have to do both the activities in your copy at your home and write down only the instructions. So what is your homework? Repeat only instructions to make lemonade in English copy number 1. You will not write the other things. You have to write only the instructions to make the lemonade in your English copy number 1. So children, I hope you have enjoyed both the activities and you are going to do the same at your home. So meet you in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.